Is your InDesign document looking messy with all those guides? Here is how to hide guides and get a clean preview in seconds. Now when you get to your InDesign document, you will notice that you just have guides everywhere. Maybe you use them for one or two things to monitor work. To remove it, go to your view menu, grids and guide, and then say hide grids. You will notice that all the guides are gone. Now if you want a cleaner preview, just tap W on your PC and you see that you don't have any form of guide or grid again. Now to return it, you press your W again. The other way you can do this is to come to your toolbar and then tap this 2 button. So either you want preview mode or normal mode, preview mode or normal mode. Now we could return all the guides, all right, by saying you should show. Now to delete them, you can just either click on it and press delete, or you marquee select on it if you have more than one and press delete button. Now I need to also let you know that if your grids are locked, it won't be deleted. If I click on it and I lock it, I won't be able to delete it. So for you to unlock it, go back to your view menu, go to grid and guides, and then toggle this off. When you marquee select on those two, you can press delete and it will be deleted. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.